Hi, in this tutorial, I will show you how to connect Ninja Forms to InCharge using BitFlows. BitFlows is an advanced automation plugin for WordPress. It helps you create complex workflows and integrate various apps seamlessly. I have already installed the BitFlows plugin on our site. In this video, I will explain how to create a new contact in InCharge using Ninja Forms. I will use Ninja Forms as a trigger node to send a message for contact creation in InCharge. Step 1. Create a new flow. First, navigate to the Flows page. If you have not created any flow yet, click on the Create Flow button. Enter a name for your flow, and then click on the Create button. Once you have successfully created a new flow, it will be displayed like this. Step 2. Add Ninja Forms as a trigger. Next, let's add Ninja Forms as a trigger in our workflow. To do this, click on the plus icon. A pop-up will appear. From there, search and select Ninja Forms, Form Submission as the trigger. Now, choose the form you'd like to use from the drop-down menu. After that, click the Listen Response button. Now I will submit a test response from Ninja Forms. Once the form submission is completed, the response will appear like this. The data will now be available in the next flow step as a variable to map. Finally, close the Trigger tab. We have successfully added a Ninja Forms trigger to our flow. Step 3. Add an action. Now, I will add InCharge as an action in the workflow. Click the plus icon again, then search and select InCharge, Create Contact as the action from the pop-up. Next, select an InCharge connection from the drop-down menu. If you don't have any existing connection or want to create a new one, simply click the Add Connection button. Here, write a name for your connection. Then you will need to provide an API key to establish a connection with InCharge. To get your API key, visit the InCharge API keys page. Now copy the API key, then return to the BitFlows builder and paste the API key into the value field. Then click the Connect button. Your InCharge node is now successfully connected to BitFlows. You can also add tags from the drop-down menu that you have already created in your InCharge account. Now, I will map the fields from the Ninja Forms response to the InCharge fields. After completing all the setup steps, close the Action tab. Step 4. Run a final test. Now click on the Test Flow Once button to run a test. Then submit a form to trigger a response from Ninja Forms. Once your form is successfully submitted, return to the BitFlows builder and click on the Logs button to view the details. In the Logs section, you can verify that your form submission response has been successfully captured and recorded in InCharge. Step 5. Verify the contact in InCharge. Finally, go to your InCharge dashboard and click on People. Here, you will see that a new contact has been successfully created in your InCharge account. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.